Guys, today we are putting stickers on my slime bucket. Stickers on my slime bucket. Let me just do that. And we have these type of stickers. We have like Squishy Squad. And we got, but this one's gonna go like in the middle. Like right there. This is kind of hard, cause I'm getting it. Okay, I got it. Look at that beauty. Let me just stick that bad boy on. We got the LeBron James. I think that's LeBron James on it. Right there. We got that. Damn, that slime moves fast. And we're gonna be putting the Squishy Squad next to it. But the thing, like slime on me. Yeah, that's fine. We're gonna be like overlapping the stickers. So yeah. So corner. The corner one's gonna go right on between the legs. Now let's go on the bot. Now let's go on the sides. I still got this much of Gordon is gonna go right on here. I'll show you guys the results in a sec. But this is actually kind of cooking. In your eyes, love will fill. So yeah, we're gonna put this squishy right there. We're losing stickers. Ah! And I got like half of them. So yeah. Let's put these all on. So we're done taking off all the stickers. So you can see that we took them all off. And yeah, look at that beauty. Look at this. Look at that. Just look at that. You guys for watching. Bye.